Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we'll be in my laundry room. I hate this room, I hate laundry, and somehow we're going to fix this room to make it more aesthetically pleasing. There wasn't a lot of dirt in this room, just some dust behind the washer and the dryer. So after we removed everything, we swept everything up. I went to Pinterest for some inspiration. I left from Lowe's with some vinyl hardwood. We decided to create a feature wall, so stay tuned for that. So the vinyl hardwood was pretty easy to install, pretty much like a day project. We scored everything, cut everything. It's probably a lot easier doing this on the floor than putting it up on a wall, but because this laundry room gets humidity because of the drying and the washing, we decided not to go with a peel and stick, so this vinyl was the better option. And this is where I thought we found our groove. Just as bad as you. Just as bad as you. Just as bad as you. Just as bad. As you can see, there's not a lot of storage or shelving inside of my laundry room currently, so we decided to purchase a pantry from the kitchen section in Lowe's to incorporate that into the new design of the laundry room. I found some letters at Hobby Lobby. They were about $1.80 each, and of course I had a coupon, so it actually ended up being about $9 or $8 for the design. So this will go up on the wall in the laundry room.
I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight, and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party.
So no project is without its flaws.
Hey, I bet you wasn't expecting this, were you? Me either. So, I said, no project is without its flaws, right? So apparently, no video editing is without its flaws either, because I deleted the second half of this video. I know. I was just as disappointed, and I was shaking my head. I'm still shaking my head. But it happened. I don't know. Guys, my heart is so broken. Like, I'm laughing to keep from crying, for real. So, we filmed the video, everything is together. We export everything off of one SD card, and then we export the rest of the videos off the second SD card that we recently purchased. And we put everything together. I do my voiceover, getting ready to post it. It's Thursday. He says, hey, make sure you export it from Adobe. And I was like, okay, no problem. So I thought I did that. And then I went and I cleared my SD card. And on top of clearing my SD card, I deleted the folder that the videos were in. I know. It's a novice mistake, but I did it. So I'm sitting there and I'm looking. Right now it's like 3:40, maybe like 4 o'clock. And I'm just sitting there and I'm looking at the computer like, I do not know what to do. So then I started thinking, I'm like, well, you didn't clear the other SD card, so go back to the other SD card and then pull the information from there. So I tried to do that, and I did that, and I was able to save the first half of the video, which is what you guys just saw. So the second half of the video, where we painted the laundry room, where I went over everything that I purchased for the laundry room, is all gone. And it sucks, because that was hours of footage that is just poof, gone. So I was like, okay, techie mind. I went and I was like, well, maybe I can recover them off the hard drive. I had to go and purchase software. I tell you guys, I am a frugal person, but when it came to spending that $50 to try to recover those files, you daggone right, I spent that $50 with no questions, no nothing, just like swipe, swipe. Well, one, I have to tell my husband that all of his hard work in editing, I just friggin' deleted. So he comes home and I'm just like looking at him smiling, and he's like, what is wrong with you? And I'm like, I deleted the video. And he's like, shut up, no way, no you didn't, no you didn't. And I was like, yes I did. And then he sits down and he like looks at me and he says, I told you to export this video this morning. And I'm like, I know you did, and I thought that I did, but I didn't. So that was that. When I went to open the first video, like some of the footage was there, but it was like super stripped. And I'm like, it was unsalvageable. Like, I could not use it. So here I am telling you guys the story. So I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. I was able to get some B-roll of what the finished product of the laundry room looks like, and I hope you guys really enjoyed that. So if you do, give this video a like, a thumbs up. That's the same thing, right? Comment if you would like to share so someone else can get a laugh out of this video, then we can do that too. I'm okay with that, I guess. But most importantly, subscribe, because I probably will have more clumsy moments like this. And I have a fall decor coming up I would like to share with you guys to inspire you guys to get ready for the fall. Fall is my favorite time of the year, and I am so ready for this fall haul. I can barely stand it. I post videos every Thursday when I do not delete them. This is the first time that's happened to me. It probably will not be the last time, because I am a clumsy person and it just happens. This is why my videos say that it will be home decor, organization, decluttering, and confessions, because this is my confession. I deleted that video and it wasn't on purpose, but it happens, and I didn't want to not put out a video or go ahead of my content schedule. I just want to tell you guys what happened. I didn't want to act like this never happened, because it did, and it does happen, and no one ever talks about messing up. But I jacked that up, and it's okay. I've forgiven myself. Hopefully you guys can forgive me too. Like I said before, every Thursday I will be posting videos once a week, and my posting days are Thursday. And if I ever delete a video again, I'll let you guys know. You can also follow me on Instagram at organizing_spices. I'll see you guys next Thursday. Bye.